Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by getting the correct CR2032 battery and a small flat screwdriver or coin. This model uses a round 3V cell. Once you remove the emergency key blade by pressing the release tab and pulling straight out, orient the fob seam toward you. Make a small, controlled pry at the seam, apply steady pressure and rotate the tool a little. This separates the halves without damaging plastic clips. Make sure to keep track of tiny parts as you open the housing, because reassembly depends on their alignment. Once opened, identify the battery orientation. Most BMW X1 remotes have the plus sign facing up. Confirm by looking at the stamped marking. Use a plastic spudger or non-metal tweezers to gently lift the old CR2032 out so you don't short anything. Insert the new cell with the same orientation, pressing it down until it sits flush and the contact spring or clip engages. Make sure there's no dirt on contacts. A quick wipe with a dry cloth improves reliability. Then align the halves before closing. To finish, align the case halves and press them together until each clip clicks into place. Then slide the emergency key back in. Immediately test the remote at close range, 1 to 3 meters, to verify lock, unlock, and any remote start functions. If the fob fails, open it again and reseat the battery, double-check orientation, and clean the contacts with a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. If performance still lags, try another CR2032 or consult dealer programming steps, because some models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.